Have you ever heard of the expression that your physical space is a manifestation of your mental space? My physical space is not looking pretty right now. Lovely, awesome office I had, yeah, it has been trashed. I don't know what the heck happened. Like, just stuff is everywhere. Stuff that doesn't even belong here is here. Like, why do I have nail stuff here? Why did I do my nails here? You know, it's just questions. There's an ice pack here, like questions that will just never be answered. So today we're going to do a clean with me. But first, all right, so before we begin any project, we must begin with a good cup of coffee. So my go-to is a latte. That's always my favorite. And I've actually been switching it up with the milk a little bit. I've been on a workout routine, on a weight loss routine, and so I've been noticing that the dairy milk has been kind of giving me a little bit of like bloat and stuff, and so I switched it up with some oat milk. And so now I prepare my latte with oat milk and some vanilla and half a tablespoon, I guess, of sugar in the raw. And it is delicious. It is so creamy and so yummy, and I love this coffee. Now to get to work. Hey Siri, set timer for 25 minutes.
Okay, 25 minutes and counting.
Okay. So when I start to clean, I just kind of dive in and just pick the most salient object, and that for me was my planners. I use a lot of planners, like for goals and for different things. Then I attacked my sticker books. Now I just put my planners on a shelf, and I'm gonna like attack them later. And my sticker books, I also put them over on a shelf, and I'm gonna attack them later. I found my earrings, so I put them on because I love them. So here I'm like multitasking. I'm just like handling my pens that go in my pen case, the pens that go on my desk, and then the nail polish stuff that does not belong on my desk but belongs upstairs. I was probably watching a YouTube video and just decided to do my nails and self-care. I think that's what happened, yeah. And so now I'm just like making everything look pretty and making things look nice with the desk and the chair and whatnot. The table underneath my table gets bent and like broken very often, so I have to fix that all the time. I know I need to just get a new one, but nobody has time or money for that. So as you can see, I'm fixing all of my planners. I don't use all of them all the time. Like one of them is like a recipe planner, you know, and I love that recipe planner because that recipe planner is something that I'm saving for Ava when she gets older, and it has all of her favorite recipes in it. I intentionally like put all of her recipes in there, and all of them are happy planners. I love the happy planner. I also love Mayors. Is it Mayors or Myers? Cleaner. Oh my gosh, I saw it. It was in Walgreens. Coffee break. It was in Walgreens thing. I never see it. I feel like all of the millennials think that it's antibacterial, so I never ever see it in the store. But I finally saw it, and I just use it to like for it to smell good in places where I know I don't really need it to be antibacterial. but I just love the way it smells. Okay, this is my sticker card. Don't judge me. We all have a fetish or a hobby. So I love like stickering and journaling and doing all of that stuff, but all of them are labeled and they all go in a specific place. So don't judge me because it is all highly organized. It's just that when I pull them out, they get like all over the place and like kind of crazy. So I'm putting everything back where it belongs. And voila, here is the finished product. I am so pleased with how everything turned out. Everything turned out so well. Like, it's not super duper perfect. Like, I still have a couple of papers that are like peeking out, but I do not care. Like, all of the surfaces are clean. I can think, my mind can breathe, because honestly, like 25 minutes ago, there was a major mess in here and I could not focus. Every time I would go in there, I couldn't focus. And I'm sure you guys can relate to that. You go into your teacher office or your office and you just can't focus. Oh my gosh, I am so proud of everything that I was able to accomplish in 25 minutes. Legit, that was 25 minutes that I cleaned up everything. So if I can do it, you can do it. If your space is looking a little raggedy, a little messy, a little, you know, not so great, just get up, set a timer, and get to work, you know? I hope that you enjoyed this clean with me video. I'm thinking about doing more of them because I actually like to clean a lot. And so I think it would be fun to record that. And share any tips that I have with cleaning. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribing already. I'm thinking about taking this channel in some new directions in terms of still keeping it educational, but also bringing you into my life a little bit, behind the scenes, like what it's like to be teacher Allison. So I hope that you enjoy the ride and enjoy the process. So adios, ciao.